Hi, mga kabaryo. Good morning, Philippines! We're on the road taking a ride to the auto parts store because this car, as good as it is, as old as it is, it has no working air conditioning. So, I got a vacuum pump so I can vacuum it out. Now I have to go down to the auto parts store and get Freon and get oil for the compressor, so that once it's vacuumed out, we can fill it up with Freon and have an air conditioner that works. So that's where we are right now. So we're going down there. We're actually bringing the car because I'm not 100% sure what. There's different types of oil for these compressors. Each car has different oil that it uses for the compressor, so I want to make sure we get the right oil in there and don't ruin the compressor.
I'm here. I told him to get rid of this car.
Ah, she's crazy to get rid of the car. The car's got a lot less miles than her car has. It's just older, that's all.
The reason really why you can't get rid of it.
Why I can't get rid of it? It's a good car. Why would I get rid of it?
Pay 2-3 insurance. Okay, what did you say?
I said you need your own skills with this car. It doesn't have a bunch of little computerized things that tell you when you're doing something wrong.
I guess. Nakabili na siya, guys. We go this way. You go wherever. Nakabili na siya, and he spent what? How much you spend, love?
79 something.
80 bucks, guys. Grabe naman itong si Tommy. Bumili na siya ng $300 something for to fix, plus extra. Plus, I'm sure there's gonna be more extra. At itong sasakyan na to is, it's not even, we don't even use it.
Well, we didn't use it. We didn't drive it all summer because it was in 100 degrees and with no air conditioning. It's really uncomfortable.
But is there any heaters here for winter stuff?
Is there what?
Heater for winter?
Yes.
So, Tommy more.
Because you got to remember about air conditioning. Even in the winter, if it's raining out and you're getting fogged windows and you turn on the fogger,
yeah,
it uses air conditioning.
Oh, really?
Yes, if your air conditioning's not working, you get no defogger either, probably, because you just...
Then I guess you will be blind. Can't see nothing. Sobrang init, guys. He left me in the car. Oh my god, it seems like I get so dark. I'm already dark and I'm not complaining. I like my darkness. I'm happy with my darkness. And my husband is, I don't know what he think of my darkness. Do you like your monkey?
Guys, I always liked her skin. She's the one who's been complaining about it since I met her. She uses special whitening soaps that she has to buy from the store.
I used to...
Don't really do anything.
Listen to me. I used to worry, remember?
Yes.
But now I don't really care anymore.
She wouldn't go in the sun because, oh, I get more dark, blah, 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 blah.
But guys, honestly, when the first thing when I got here in America, I don't really we don't, as a Filipina, gusto kong pumuti. And Tommy don't know why I don't like the sun. And, you know, and now that I've been here for 14 something years, almost 15 years, it's kind of okay with me to be natural color. Not worried about the sun at all. Pero nung una pagdating ko dito talaga, naghanap ako ng mga whitening. Ayaw kong umitim nung mukha ko noon. Okay pa, walang mga dark things, shit show. I use pants all the time. Cream na pants. Palagi. Inopen pala niya to, oh.
I like the skin tone of Filipinos. They don't realize that in this country, women are always looking to go in the sun so they can get that color of skin. It took my wife years to figure it out. Just like she thinks like she has to be like a bleach white looking skin. The meantime, in this country, they want to be anything but bleach white looking skin.
Not anymore.
Which means nobody's happy with what they got.
Yeah, so,
God gives you something and you're not happy with it, you want to return it. Really?
to make story short daw guys, lahat ng tao hindi daw masaya sa ano, kung ano binigay ng Panginoon. Guys, galing ako sa tindahan. Magluto tayo ng tawag nito, ginataang munggo. Nag-init na ako ng munggo. Andito yung ano ni Tami, brother-in-law niya, dala yung apo niya. So, tambay-tambay sila dito. And yun, iwan ko asa na yun sila. Nagtambay-tambay sila. Nagtambay-tambay lang siya dito kasi wala kasi siyang trabaho. Ano na siya, retire na. Then, naging ano na siya, tagabantay ng apo. Diba? Gustong-gusto din nila yan. Especially siya, yung brother-in-law ni Tami kasi yung mga anak niya lumaki, hindi niya nabantayan. So, ngayon, bawi siya sa apo. Kaya yun, andito sila. Dito sa labas. So, ngayon, itong string beans ko, look. String beans. String beans. Dagdagan natin kasi meron pa tayong string beans doon sa ano. Dagdagan natin, tara. Dagdagan natin. Nag-init lang ako doon ng ano. Dito tayo, dito tayo. Look, dami guys. Oh, kunin na natin. Look, oh. Kunin na natin sila kasi para ma-mix na sa ating loto. Look, oh. Okay. Yan, harvest pa more. Harvest tayo palagi nito. Hello!
Alright, wait.
Harvest lang natin the other day. Ngayon, meron na naman. Ay, nako talaga. Look. More harvest. O, diba ang saya? Harvest pa more. Tignan nyo itong ginawa ko. Ay. So, ang dami guys. Kahit maliit pa siya, kinuha ko na siya para naman ma-enjoy natin sa ano, sa ating luto-lutong ano, munggos, ginataang munggos. Masarap kasi ito. Spinach yung ano ko, i-mix kasi tawag nun, wala, doon ako sa Hanaford, walang ano, sa ibang tindahan, walang ano, Chinese bok choy. Kasi masarap yung Chinese bok choy, guys. Kaysa ano, sa pichay na malaki. Bok choy man tawag nila, iwan ko na lang. Pichay man yan sa atin. Enjoy. Gustong-gusto ito ni Mister. Sarap ito, refreshing. Ay, maga. Parang sira man itong nabili ko. sa ganun. Pero kapag may tao talaga, no, hindi talaga ako, walang accomplishment. Every time, kung may bisita, wala ako. I mean, yung accomplishment ko lang naman is wala akong na-accomplish sa araw na yun is yung mga trabaho sa editing. So, yun yung araw ko na hindi ko nagaganap kapag may tao. Like editing, filming, or something. Wala talaga. Pastilan. Wala. So, yun siya. Yun yung problema kapag, that's the problem, honey. Every time we have visitors, yeah. I don't have any accomplishment of the day.
Not like we have to do it all that often.
Well, I do in my video. You're sleeping while there's people. My baby's so tired all the time, guys. Like, it's a crazy time. Okay, now, you have to put your plate here. What do you want? Kain na kami, guys, kasi gutom na yung mga bituka ko. Ang daming bituka ni Indemnian. Grabe. Joke lang. Uy, grabe naman. Noy, ginoo ko. Bata pa ako nung nagkaroon ako ng ganyan. Bata pa. What the heck are you talking? I don't talk like that. Yung hindi ko siya nalagyan ng magic na nung nasa lata kasi wala. Moingon na po na si Tami. Sasabihin na naman niya na, ay, bakit kakaiba ito? Kasi nalumay siya, guys. Kung sa Bisaya pa, nalumay siya sa sardines. So, ngayon nawala siya. Sabihin naman, bakit kakaiba naman ito? Bakit hindi naman ito masarap? Sa Bisaya pa, kapag magluto ka, kailangan may subak. Maglauoy ka na, subak na bulad or tinapa. Pero dahil nga wala tayong pang subak, masarap kasi yung subak-subak, guys. Yung parang, yun yung magdagdag lasa. Hindi boring yung pagkain. So, yun. So, let's watch and say, washing. What are you watching, love?
I don't know. I want to see the
Okay. Okay, so kakain lang kami, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Na-miss ko yung ganyan ba? Kasi most of my vlog na lately, walang ending. Thank you, guys. I will see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See, bye-bye, love.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Di ba energetic? Gutom ito, guys.